In this video, I will be showing up a new repo that I started working. That is UI for AI. In this one, what I'm doing is I'm creating a cloud formation template that will deploy, that will create an EC2 instance, and in that it will set up OLLAMA server, and in that it will download some models. This particular one is downloading Quen2 model. As you can see, I'm creating a model variable Quen2 0.5 billion parameter one, doing OLLAMA pull model, then testing the curl command whether the API is running or not, and then I'm also setting up this UI that I showed in the repo. I'm cloning the UI for AI repo and then running node server.js, this application, which will give us a UI for doing calling this API using a chat window. So let me before I show you this in local, let me start creating this stack. Upload a template file. This is the one. Okay, so while it is happening, I will show you the same thing in local. So this is the code in the application. Basically, two files are there. One is the server.js that is having this API generate API, which is interacting with the OLLAMA APIs running at port 11443. Sorry, 11434, and this is the index.html. This is a chat-based UI, which is again interacting with the API that this one is creating, the server.js. So let me launch it. So in local, we can launch by running node server.js. Same thing I'm doing on EC2 also. So here it's running at localhost 999. So this is the UI. If I enter a prompt, so for example, hello, or not hello prompt, write poem on dog. It will generate. Notice this is the response that is coming from these sequence of or a stream of responses. In each of these, I'm capturing the response attribute and combining these and then showing it in the top. And there is a history also. This will come when I enter a second prompt. For example, I'll ask it to write a poem on frog. Then the last prompt got added in the history, and this is the a new response. So this is the a basic UI I'm having. Now let's see whether the stack is ready. Yeah, it's ready. I'll go to EC2 instance. Now the application is running at port 999, but I'm also creating one Apache server running at port 80. So you can directly open this public IP. It will actually tell the status of the startup script. So if I launch it, see it is saying please wait while startup script complete. So looks like the startup script is still running. It will keep on changing color of this title while it is running, and I can show you the logic for that. So this is the cloud formation template. So initially I'm getting an Apache server, and then initially the content of HTML is this: please wait while a startup script completes, and there is a function that randomly changes the color of that. Below, after doing all the setup is done, after downloading the model and setting up Node.js, starting up the Node server, then I'm changing the content of that HTML. So once it is done, we will be able to see this content. UI setup done, install Git, it shows the Git version, node version, and it will also do a curl command for the port in which our OLLAMA server is running to see whether we are getting a proper response from that or not. And even okay, yeah, this is the link that we will create for our actual application, the node application, this server.js. It will take us to localhost 999 index.js, index.html file. And then we will also have one more curl output. This is for running one query using the curl command. This you can see above. This curl output 2 is actually calling the OLLAMA API using this prompt. Why is the sky blue? And that response we will be able to see in the UI. So it looks like it is ready. See this error. Okay, there was one error. Dollar model. Okay, looks like this dollar model is not resolving. Earlier I had a hard-coded strings that was working, but since I changed it to dollar model, it's not resolving this value. So what I can do, I think I'll have to add it again. Query response from. Okay, this dollar model is resolving, but this one within the quotes, this is somehow not resolving. So let me do one thing. I'll just replace it with the string value of the model name, and we'll recreate the stack. So I'll pause the video for a while, and once the new stack is ready, I will resume. Okay. So the old one is delete in progress, and new one is create complete. Looks like that is already deleted now. We'll go to EC2 instances. We'll see the new one. So this is the new IP we got for our new instance. For this, the startup script is still running, so we'll wait. I'll pause for a while. Okay, so UI setup is done. This time Git got installed properly, Node got installed properly. Okay, looks like we have some label issue here. I will have to fix this. In Git install to showing the Node version, and in the Node install to showing the Git version. So I'll fix that. And now we are getting proper response from the model using the curl command. And let's see if our UI chat application is running properly or not. So this is the one. Okay, this has some issues. I have opened the port 999, but somehow it is still not running. So I will have to look at it. Maybe it's not possible in this video, so I will fix these two and the other one, and I will update it in the comment of this video.